Hi guys! Sa channel na ito guys ay nagsishare po tayo ng mga bagong online ah, trabaho or work from home job opportunities na pwede nating pagkakitaan while nasa bahay tayo. It's not for moms, for everyone po na gustong magstay at home at kumita kasama ang pamilya. So to my new subscriber, comment at mag-share lang po kayo ng aking video at follow and mamimigay po tayo ng 50 pesos GCash. Hi guys! Sa video ito guys ay pag-uusapan natin si Fiverr.com at anong pwede natin ditong pagkakitaan. So, um, according to my research, but I have account here in Fiverr. So, further research lang. Fiverr is a leading global marketplace that connects businesses and individuals with freelance professional offering a wide variety of digital services. It serves as centralized hub for tasks ranging from graphic design, video editing, and many more. So, itong guys, Fiverr guys, is kung marami kang skills or marami kang kayang gawin guys, is pwede ka dito magbenta ng YouTube thumbnail, yung wedding invitation card, and pwede ka rin mag-translate dito guys. Yes, Filipino translation, a translator, um, German, French, or Japanese translator. Okay, let's click this invitation card. Ito yung example, guys. Ayan. If you have a, ano ba yan? If you have a talent for a graphic design or creating invitation card is pwede ka dito guys. As you can see guys, ito simple lang siya ha. But tingnan mo, for $10 kumita na siya. Diba? 12 invitation cards. As you can see guys, madami pa dito guys. Ayan. So any kind of guys, try natin yung YouTube thumbnail. Kung ikaw ay creative na tao, marunong kang mag-design ng mga thumbnails, yan. So, ito guys, kung nakikita natin guys, itong attract, promote your YouTube video through Google Monetize Faster, earn money. Ayan, nakabenta na siya dito ng 3K. 3K plus from ito pala hindi pa thumbnails. Ang ginagawa niya is I will do fast YouTube channel promotion via Google Ads. Yes, madami ditong gigs na pwede natin pasukan guys to earn money. And meron ditong social media setup design. Okay. So, hanapin natin yung YouTube thumbnail. Medyo siya, madaling gawin. As you can see here guys, ito yung mga YouTube thumbnail nila. And ito si MSL is nakabenta na siya ng thumbnail 1K plus na for $5 each. And madami pa. Scroll down natin dito. Ayan, 7K. Tingnan mo, go CTR. So, I will design a catchy YouTube thumbnail. 7K from $15. Diba, guys? Hindi imposible eh. Hindi imposible kumita tayo dito, guys. For making a YouTube thumbnail lang. For creating a YouTube thumbnail. Ano pa? Explore pa natin. Madami pa kasi dito eh. So, nakikita po natin dito sa graphic design is meron silang logo, brand style guides, logo and brand identity, and font and typography, illustration, AI artist, AI avatar design, web design, app design, product and gaming, industrial product design, print design, brochure design, resume design. So, madami pang mga design na pwede natin dito and make your own research. Have your own research pala. Another Another, ano naman guys, is, ano pa, um, tapos na tayo sa wedding, tapos na tayo sa thumbnail, ano pa dito, kung marunong kang mag-voice record, voice artist, voice over, ayan. So, kung may talent ka sa voice over guys, napakalaki yung offer nila dito, $90, $120 per project guys. Naku guys, talagang kikita ka talaga dito kung may talent ka sa ganyan. Ano pa? Um, Dito makikita natin yung mga digital search engine optimization. Ayan. Generative engine optimization, search engine marketing, e-commerce, video is social media marketing, online community, TikTok shop, Facebook ads campaign, YouTube promotion, um, video marketing, email marketing, ayan. So, affiliate marketing, ano pa, ang dami-dami po ditong pwede natin. So, ang tawag nila guys is gig. Ayan. Gig ang tawag dito guys. Okay. Tagalog translation. Tagalog translator. Translator. Ayan. So, as you can see guys, itong si Jem, kumita na siya dito nakabenta na siya dito ng 873 um, translation. Filipino, English, English, Filipino. So, pwede ka naman kayong gumamit ng ChatGPT just to correct your grammar lang to English. We know how to speak Tagalog and then use ChatGPT. Pwede tayong magpatulong kay ChatGPT if na medyo mahirap sa atin. Kasi minsan, marunong tayo mag-Tagalog but yung grammar natin is medyo, ayan, tagilid or hindi ko naman sinabi hindi tayo marunong mag-English. We are Filipino. But iba talaga yung um, meron din naman talaga tayong yung iba gumagamit naman talaga ng AI. Pero sa atin, marunong na tayo mag-Tagalog. It's advantage. So, Cebuano or Bisaya to English. Ayan, English to Cebuano or Bisaya. 'Di ba? Ang galing-galing, guys. Dito sa Fiverr, guys, hindi ka talaga, imposibleng hindi ka kumita dito ng pera. So, writing and translation. Dito na yun makikita mo yung writing, translation, proofreading, editing, academic support, script writing, content strategy, website content, e-book writing. Pwede din kayong mag-ano dito guys. So dito sa graphic design, pwede din kayong gumawa ng book design or book cover. Ayan, kasi marami na ngayong writers and then um, first impression natin na maganda yung book. Tumitingin talaga tayo sa book cover kahit naman sa YouTube, tumitingin tayo sa YouTube thumbnail, di ba? Pag attractive yung YouTube thumbnail, is talagang mapapaklik tayo. Yes. Pwede din kayo dito magbenta ng resume design, virtual background, fashion design, jewelry design. Ayan, ang dami-dami guys na pwede natin i-offer dito. I hope na may natutunan kayo for today's video guys, and please don't forget to like and subscribe na rin. Gumawa na kayo ng account ngayon sa fiverr.com at hindi kayo magsisisi guys.